Hello, everybody. My name is Gustavo Martinez, and I'm on the Student Assembly Board of Directors as the Nominating Committee Chair-elect. Some of the responsibilities that this position entails is helping and organizing the election process for the Board of Directors, as well as pursuing candidates who are interested in running for this board and helping them find the position that suits them best. The reason I wanted to run for this position was to get to know individuals, learn about their stories, and help them find ways to be active within the organization. Within those responsibilities that I have, I get to really communicate with students across the nation and find out what they're passionate about. And that's really cool. I think it's so important for individuals to reach out and broaden out, and that's something that I can help do within the Student Assembly Board of Directors.